Hi everyone, this vlog is titled as Receiving and Perceiving, the meaning of it and the difference of it. Receiving and perceiving are completely different things in all the aspects possible for any life form. Now, when we talk about a life form, there are two major things which happen for it to evolve, to grow, to learn, and to become better. The main factor of any life form is to become better. In other words, we call it evolution. Now, when we talk about receiving and perceiving, they are completely different things in which ways? First, receiving is always automatic. Receiving is about receiving a signal or an electromagnetic wave or a sound or a light or information for that matter, and anything which registers, gets absorbed in your senses is called receiving. Your senses are receiving a particular sound, or your senses are receiving a particular point of information. So receiving is a continuous process any life form does in one way or the other. It is continuously receiving some or the other thing which goes around in its environment, which can be in the external world, and most importantly, it can also be in the internal world, because each life form which is within you, for that life form, anything which goes on within you is its environment. So it is continuously receiving some or the other type of signal or an information or sound or frequencies or vibrations, or to the most fundamental level, it's receiving any or some kind of energy. Now, when we come to perceiving, the difference between receiving and perceiving, the most difference-making difference is that perceiving happens when you register what you have received in a mindful way, where perceiving is fueled with your I-ness, or with your self-identification, with your survival or your being. In other good meditative words, perceiving is always identified with. Without identification, without pinpointing, without registering or noting, or without being mindful about something which you have received, you cannot perceive it. Perceiving or perception means to have observed or to have a mindful noting of something which you have received is perceive or perceiving. I'll give you a very, very small, simple example. We all use cell phones. Our cell phones interact data, they exchange data with electromagnetic waves. We all use cell phones, so fundamentally our cell phones are receiving electromagnetic waves from the environment, and they are coming in the cell phone, and the cell phone is displaying what the wave, what the signal is saying, and that is how we interpret or read the wave. So it can be a call, it can be a text message or anything. Now it is coming in the phone, right? So does it mean that it won't be coming in your head while you're talking on the phone? Does it mean that those electromagnetic waves won't be coming and getting received in your hands, on your skin, while it is coming in that cell phone? No. Your skin, while you're talking on the phone, it would be going in your ears, it would be going in your head, it would be going in your entire body. Your body, your head, your hairs on the skin, everything would be receiving those electromagnetic waves, but we are unable to perceive it because we are not mindful about it. We are not sensitive enough to perceive what we are receiving. Another example, We go on the road driving, whatever the vehicle may be. We only register certain types of sound. But does it mean that only the sounds which we have perceived were only received by our eardrums? No. Our ears, our body, our brain would have received so many things, but we have registered, we have become mindful only about a couple of things on the road. This is the major difference, and the same thing happens in life. We receive a lot of things which can make us better if only we perceive it. If we are not perceiving what we are receiving, then we are going to stay as it is in life. We have to learn to perceive what helps us be better. Deep dive, self-reflect, take care.